hello. Today. Hello. All right, today we are playing Giant Minecraft. We have connected Paul's computer with HDMI to the TV. All right, cool. What's your plan today, guys? Find Bing Bing. That's gonna be the first plan, right? Finding Bing Bing. Yes, I think you should improve your mind. Your mind. It's improve means like make better or dikun. You have to create a new world. Oh, do you guys want to start fresh today? You guys want to start fresh today? Oh, okay. All right. Let's do it. Please repeat. Say, let's do it.